Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, I give a report and I show how my first Python program, a Nasdaq Scalping bot, functions, how it does, and how we react to the market. And besides, we also do something about the market, as in looking how we are doing in relationship with the bot. And this is the daily report about the functioning of the bot. And it's Friday, so it's not only the daily report of this Friday, this day, but also of this week. And it's Friday, so it's not only the report of today, but it's also the report of the entire week. And we had a couple of good days this week. The bot made profit, and it showed that it could make profit, but we don't know yet if it's always the same. And I saw some minor bugs in the bot doing something that wasn't that right, and I left it yesterday to see how it functions today, but eventually I killed the bot and I started with some adjustments, but the rest will be in this weekend, and I just want to know if the adjustments work for now. What did I change? That's always the first part of the video. What did I change? I changed in the bot, not the strategy, because the strategy is still the same, but how the strategy is implemented. Because what I saw and what ChatGPT saw also yesterday was that there was sometimes there were buys or sell positions opened that did not comply with the strategy, and that was strange. So I was looking at a solution yesterday. If you look at my video yesterday, you saw what I did there. And today, when I saw that there were losses going on with positions that were not compliant with the strategy, I eventually killed the bot, because if it doesn't make profit, it makes losses. And if it makes losses, it has no use to keep it on going, because then the test has done what it should done, and it says it is not good, we need repairs. So I changed nothing in the strategy, but I changed in how the strategy is implemented with the candles and inside the bot. And if you look at the strategy, what it was, I don't have the previous version, but in the previous version, this was one big if statement about if a candle was big enough, if the MACD values were correct, and if there was a quick buy, and if a lot of if statements, conditions in one large if statement combined with for the sell an elif. And I broke that one up, and if you can see now, there is only an if the boo candle, buy candle is true. There is a boolean. So if the boolean buy candle is true and the boolean buy MACD is true, then there will be a buy advice. Or if the boolean quick buy is true, there will be a buy advice. And the same is on the sell side. If the boolean sell candle is true and the boolean sell MACD is true, then there will be a sell. Or the boo quick sell is true, and then there will be a sell. This is much clearer in what should done and not be done. And those booleans are set by this string of extra new functions: the boolean buy candle, sell candle, quick buy, quick sell, buy MACD and sell MACD, with the information that needed, and all of that is with the candles I send up. What you don't see is the up +2, like the previous +2 and the oldest +2, and both of them had to be bigger of each other to realize a buy, or minor of each other to realize a sell. Those values are no longer here. I just send up the candles, current, the previous, and the oldest candle into new functions, and you see by default they are false. Then all the way up you see that if the session candles is larger than 26, so all these candle buy and sell initiative, the action based on the strategy, will only be done if there are 26 or more, no, not 26, 27 or more candles. Then there will be a MACD calculation. Then the given advice will be by default a hold, and then that will go through each and every. And I didn't show you those one, and those are here. So there are new functions: the buy candlestick function, the sell candlestick, the buy MACD evaluation, and the sell MACD evaluation, and the quick buy check and the quick sell check. And I broke those functions up, of those big function up, in smaller pieces, and that's what you see right here. And I also changed the current candle minus the previous candle should be larger than the candle threshold. That's new. The candle threshold is what it's all the way up as 2, and the quick candle threshold is 10. So I separated those values too, and now we not see that the current candle should be larger than the previous candle +2. No, it just said current candle minus the previous candle should be larger than the candle threshold, and the previous candle minus the oldest candle should also be larger than the candle threshold. For the MACD evaluation, I added an extra. That's where it went wrong more often, was that the MACD, or the signal line, that they weren't just already calculated, and the bot opened a position because by coincidence the signal line was smaller than 0 or smaller than 1, like this one, without checking the rest. So I changed this one, and now I added an extra failsafe as first check if the MACD line is not equal to 0.0. That's the default value, and the signal line also should not be like the default 0.0. Then you can check if the MACD line is smaller or bigger, etc., etc. So it's the same strategy, but I rebuild it into a new format. And if I say I build it, yes, I build it, but it was by a hint of ChatGPT that he said me, why don't you split this up? It makes it more readable. And I thought, yeah, he was right. We can split this up, and then we have a better understanding of how this works and what happens at a certain moment. And now there should not be any failures that there is a position opened when it should not be opened. And why did I do this? And now we get to the second part of the daily report, and that is the functioning of the bot. And let's grab the bot with it. If you look at the bot, I see there are 3 candles I work with. In this case, you see there is candle. The current candle is 772, previous is 771, and the oldest is 772. And what I saw this morning, yes, especially this morning and during the day several times, I saw that there was a position opened or a position, a buy or a sell opened when there was not a valid reason to open a position. And that's why, not the only reason, but that's why I think, well, this isn't going well, and it didn't. And if we look at the profits since start, the profit of today, and this is not today, the profit of today is minus 465. And if you look, it's not today, it's only from 8 p.m. That's when I restarted the bot after I reprogrammed the strategy. And if you follow this channel every day, you know that I said yesterday the contract size is up to 0.2. Now it's back to 0.1. And the take profit size and the stop loss was also $1 up to 10 and 5. And they're both down again to 9 and 4. So I don't think you need that much of information to know that today was not a good day for the bot. And now we get to the third part, and that is, how did the bot perform today? If we look at the market, you see that the market is moving rather sideways. There's not much action today in the market, like strong going up or strong going down. This looks like a strong one, but if I flatten this down, it's almost nothing. And we know, if you follow the channel more, we know that the bot is not a good bot when it comes down to all these small candles going down and then going up and then going down again. And it's not the best of days for the bot if there's so low action on the market. And if I look at the reports of today, and be ready, you see not only a lot of positioning opening, if you see, but you also see a lot of red. There is blue, and there is red and blue mix, and the red and blue mix is only after the market opens, I think, not even before the market. So around 10 this morning I saw, okay, we're doing something, and we were at a certain point again at 460 this morning after a take profit. So we were rather going good, but then it went down the drain, and I only saw the one after the other stop losses, and then I killed the bot around 6. Around this time, I think it has no use. We were down to 434 euros again, and we started this day with 468. With 468. So we lost today in total almost 34 euros in profit, and that's the entire profit of yesterday, almost. And if you see, around the night there were a lot of positions opened, I guess, that shouldn't be opened. It's all small losses, so it's not a problem. But when I stood up this morning and I checked the window and I checked the bot, then I saw right here at this envelope, I saw a 5, as in 5 times, and I could already guess 5 times a stop loss. It was also something else, but 3 times a stop loss during the night. And I was hoping that during the day, like yesterday, we started also with a negative in the morning, but during the afternoon, when the market opened and into the evening, it was all compensated and we ended up with profit. Now, let's see, we ended today, and yeah, it's almost over. I'm going to kill the bot right away. Not now, but after the video, I'm going to kill the bot. But we ended today with 432, and we started today with 468. So we made a loss of 36 euro during the day, and that's not good. And it happens, but it's not good. And if I'm gonna look at the entire week, we started the 18th of November at the night, and the 18th of November was the Monday, so I need one more day. Come on, friend. 15 to 18. Okay. Well, we ended last Friday at 425. We ended last Friday at 425. And this Friday, we ended with 432. So we made a profit this week of €7. But that's only because today was a worse day. We saw yesterday and the day before this bot can make profit if the market has the right circumstances doing the stuff, and if the bot doesn't make decisions it shouldn't make. And then I'm still waiting, and that's for this weekend. I'm still waiting what the bot will do if it has access to the AI. Because I looked at the AI today when I restarted the bot, and I don't know if you can see this, but the AI, the R&N position is at this moment 0.19, as in 19% of his decisions is correct. That's not very promising. And the KNN accuracy went down from, we started, I believe, at 78%, and now it's down to 47% accuracy. So we need to do something in the weekend to make this precision and this accuracy a bit better. And that's what we're going to do in this weekend. And I will make a separate video about it, what I'm doing. And then we are hopefully better equipped next week to see how the bot performs with the new implementation of the strategy and with the new setup of the AI. So that was it for today. The daily report and the week report. The daily report. So if you like what you see, press like. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe please. And you get an information when there is a new video available, and it's a daily report, so there's a new video every day except for the weekends. So from Tuesday till Saturday there is a daily report of the bot, and you can watch it anytime. Do you want more information or get better informed? Then join me in my Discord server, which I post also daily the reports as in how the bot is doing. So if you want to join me at my Discord server, the link is in the description. And if you want to see me live, you can go to Twitch. I also report, like now, every day live on Twitch. And then you can laugh again with me if I make mistakes. That's what it's all about. And you can suggest me what to do, what else to change, like in the Discord and in the Twitch. I'm always open for suggestions and discussion about the market, the bot, and the coding. For now, I wish you a lot and a good weekend, and have fun.